People say in these parts there's a lady that has a push cart, makes amazing Chinese dumplings. But I've asked around, and unfortunately, I'm getting some sad news, everybody in Flavortown. Well, she's closed up shop. Whew. But don't worry, she's opened up her brick and mortar, and this is Honks Chinese Dumplings.
Giant steam bell.
Honks is an institution. It's literally love at first bite.
I saw Mrs. Hong on Church Street.
When she had the push cart.
Yeah, well, she doesn't have it anymore.
Yeah, it's not so much. And then I found the dumpling temple.
Dumpling temple.
What do you think makes it so good?
She's like my grandma, basically.
Your dumpling grandma.
Yes, she's Mama Hong.
Or officially, Hong Yu, who came to the U.S. with her daughter Lisa in the late 90s, opened a dumpling cart, and reached legendary status. She's got to be like the unofficial mayor of the town.
Dumpling mayor.
She is the dumpling mayor.
She is.
I love dumplings. You don't even understand. My dumpling issues are, I mean, I have to go to like counseling. We're gonna make pork dumplings and chicken and cheese.
Yeah.
The pan-fried taste with the crunch and then the chewiness, they're amazing.
What are we gonna make first?
Flour dough.
Flour dough for the dumplings.
First flour, water.
You have a beautiful voice. I was gonna join in. I usually do it as C minor.
Now we make a pork filling.
Do we have a song for the ground pork? I know you can make anything.
Right.
Salt, chicken base,
Yeah. Chinese spicy.
the secret spice.
Yeah.
I smell a lot of Chinese size spice.
Sugar.
Ginger,
Garlic.
granulated garlic, gotcha.
Oil.
Dark soy sauce, sesame oil,
Cooking wine.
cooking wine.
Red soy.
That's the regular soy sauce, okay?
That can mix.
Everybody stand back, she's mixing. Green bell pepper, white onion.
Yeah.
Next type of dumpling is,
Chicken cheese.
we're in Vermont, so I'm going with this cheese and a traditional Chinese dumpling, but I'm on the fence just like you. So, cooked breast meat chicken,
Ginger powder. Garlic.
Montreal seasoning, turmeric,
Turmeric. Yeah. Barbecue.
paprika,
Yeah, paprika.
salt, chicken base,
Yeah. Vegetable oil.
the sesame oil, regular soy sauce, and
Vinegar.
vinegar. Red and green bell pepper, the white onion.
And yeah, that's cheddar cheese.
I can't believe I am participating in the cheddar cheese going in the Chinese dumpling. I'm not even gonna look. Are you mixing?
Yes.
I feel so. I think she's making this one up. I love you, dumpling. Okay, let's make a dumpling. Chicken and cheese. Wow, you really loaded up. You gonna make the pork one now?
Yeah.
Not shy on the portion. Now we start to cook them?
Yeah.
Now what?
The sweet sour.
Sweet and sour cranberry sauce.
Right. The orange juice. Sugar
Cranberry. Pineapple. Cranberry jelly.
and cashew.
So we cook that down.
Yeah. 15 to 20 minutes.
Okay, these are big dumplings.
Chopped onions.
It's hot. Delicious. They're probably the biggest dumplings I've ever seen. The chicken and cheese tastes like a quesadilla. When you cook the pork raw inside of the dumpling, all that flavor stays inside of there. I'm having this undying need to shovel this. That's good sweet and sour. I want to buy it by the gallon.
Sour, sweet. Yes.
What?
3 pork dumplings and 3 chicken and cheese dumplings.
I like the chicken and cheese. Those spices are really, really good.
The pork with the cranberry sauce, to me, is just meant to be.